Okay, taking a look at my 49 GMC 5-window cab truck. This truck is sitting on a S10 frame, 2000 S10 frame. Has a 305 V8 Chevy engine out of a Caprice, said to have 70,000 miles on it. 700 R4 trans with the Overdrive that's been rebuilt. And this truck was originally a camper, so the title does say 49 GMC truck camper. Obviously the camper bed was removed at one time and a regular bed put on, but this thing just looks fantastic and is a great driver. Runs down the road 70 miles an hour, no issues. Tons of attention and thumbs up. The deluxe cab, 5 windows. Stainless trim on the outside there. Interior, you got some couple of buckets in it. A little bit of insulation. A nice little gauge cluster with a fuel gauge. Does have the signals with indicators, headlights, signals, horn, all works, no wipers. Exhaust sounds decent. It's not a loud exhaust by any means, but still has a nice sound to it. Nice little 305 with Edelbrock carb on it. Runs out good, runs strong. Real fun driver. It's kind of one of those trucks, jump in and go anywhere. There you have it.